So running a home-based business or an online business is glamorous, but yet when you have children involved, they can sure suck the life out of you.
Yeah, they can. We always see a lot of couples or single people who are in the online space, and it's
Yes.
like, wow, your life must be so easy. Being able to just go to work or work full-time online and not have to deal with kids, not have to deal with their attitudes, their personalities, and all the crazy stuff that comes with having kids.
Yet our kids are our why and our focus and our driving factor to make our business work, but they don't make it easy for us. And that's exactly it. When we see couples who don't have kids and they're not having success or they're not hitting their goals, I have to be like, what's wrong? Like, literally, you have all the time in the world, besides maybe if you're still working full time, you have all the time in the world to sit down, develop yourself, create that habit, create that mindset without the distractions of what kids bring on the constant.
Exactly. But don't get me wrong, we try to keep our kids as involved in our business as we can. We want them to understand the entrepreneurial journey that we're on, the roller coaster that we're on. Yeah, there's a lot of good times, but there's a lot of times we got to buckle down and we got to put the work in, and we have to, I'm sorry, but sacrifice time with you guys so that we can grow this business in order to achieve the success that we're after.
It's a small-term sacrifice, a short-term pain for long-term gain. And it's just reiterating that to our children and helping them understand, getting them on gratitude practices, and getting them part of our vision and the clarity. So when we are hustling and working, they understand why. But kids are kids, and they make up their minds. They do whatever they want. There's no filters. So it's just rolling with the punches, making sure that they're included in the process, making sure they're part of the outcome, and knowing that we love them no matter what, even though this morning they did not make it easy.
No, and there's ways around it. Like we said, we include them in some of our DMOs with gratitude. We always ask them to share some things that they're grateful with, some affirmations. I am brave, I am respectful, I'm kind, I'm courageous. Things along that nature.
Yes.
And it's great to just involve them as much as you can. But of course, there's the bulk of it where you just have to buckle down and do it yourself. And in that case,
you know what you're creating is going to give them the life that they dream about. Give them the adventures, give them the toys, give them the opportunities that they whine and cry about all day long.
That's exactly right. And at the end of the day, of course, include them as much as you can. But if you can't include them into your business, just make sure you block time out for them sometime throughout the day. Set aside 20 minutes, half an hour, whatever you have available. Make sure you have that quality time with them where you put your phone down and you make that eye contact and you have 100% focus on your child or children.
On a little tip, what we did, because we were spending so much time in our business, is we actually put Jagger in preschool daycare full time. So it allowed us to focus on our business, and then when we pick him up, it's snowing. It's family time, it's hanging out with them. But this way, we're not feeling guilty for spending a couple hours on our business while he's home. And then the weekends are family only.
That's exactly right. And that's something we've really heard from a lot of our uplines and mentors is really hire out the small tasks to give yourself more time to focus and grow your business.
Yes.
Now, their recommendations were more along the lines of like hire a house cleaner, hire a chef, get a meal cooking service to take those menial tasks off your plate so you can focus on the more income producing activities.
Yes.
So for us, the big thing on our plate was just keeping our youngest child occupied without him being on digital devices all day so mom and dad could work.
Yes, so include your kids. It's powerful. They are our future as much as we can incorporate entrepreneurship, because just think how popular entrepreneurship is right now. Think about what it will be when they are older. So incorporate them into your vision, into your life, into what you're doing. Help them understand why you're hustling, why maybe you're taking some time away from them, and watch the ripple effects that it creates. And note to self, for me, don't get caught up in their emotions because they're kids. All right, guys.
Thanks, guys.